In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit or change your YouTube channel handle or unique username from your iPhone or Android's YouTube app. So let's begin. To change your YouTube handle, open the YouTube app, then go to the U tab from the bottom right corner, tap on View Channel, then select the pen icon right beside Manage Videos. And here you can see our old YouTube handle. To update or change it, just tap on this pen icon again, then change your handle to your heart's desire. As you can see, it's a unique username visible to everyone, and you'll only be able to change it once every 14 days. When you're happy with your new username, just tap on Save and it will be updated immediately. If you look at your channel URL, you'll also notice that your channel URL has been updated, which means people will be able to view your channel through your new handle. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change your YouTube channel handle whenever you want. Don't forget to drop a like, support our work by subscribing, and I'll see you soon.